Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we'll be working on the welcome screen for our application. So we continue from where we stopped. So the first thing I'm going to do is to paste the images I will be using in this tutorial. So then I already prepared some data that I'm going to be using. So I'll paste the data here. So this is our carousel data. So yes, what I'm going to do is to create an interface for this carousel item. So this interface will build a structure for our carousel. So I will define the title as a string, the text also as a string. So the image URL, I will make it any for now. So as you can see now, I've defined the interface of our carousel editor. So I'm defining a set area view. I'll remove all of this. Okay. Yeah, let me remove this. So here, I'll define the class name as well. Select one, so it's going to take the whole screen. So the height of the carousel will be 92%. Also, it's going to be rounded. So if I scroll up here, I will need to set the state for the current carousel. So it should be a number. So we are going to make the default number 0. So what that means is that it's going to show the first item here, first item in the carousel data. So here now I can say web page index this will be optional. Okay. So what we are going to do next, so I'm going to set the Z index. So this will ensure that the current slide will be at the top. Okay, just below here, and we have this. Here we display the title. Okay. Then here also we display the rest of the text. Okay, I think there's an issue here. I'm supposed to set the height. Let me. Okay, then I will change this to 90. So here now we add our image. The image will be in the middle. So what I'm trying to do is that in the second item we have is a JSON file. So I'll be using load to load the file. That is what I'm trying to do here. Okay, I haven't installed the Lottie. So let's install Lottie. So I'll copy this. copy this, import the LoTV. So let's style it. Okay, let us create a style. Set 100% width. Then the height will be 75%. You can change that based on your preference. Okay. So okay. Display our image here. So if it is not the first index, I mean this one, then we are displaying this and this from here. Okay. Style also. Okay, as you can see, our image is not showing. Okay, so for another thing we have to do, as you can see, our pagination is not showing at the bottom of the image. So let's show our pagination dots. So here will be our pagination. Okay. So we are centering it, and also adding bottom of 5. We're using a flex roll here. So we are going to center the pagination dots horizontally. Then of course it's going to be in the center. So again, we are going to iterate through our carousel data. So I've already done something like that here. So let me just copy this. I'll use it here. Let me remove all of this. I don't need all of this. Okay. Then I will remove this. So here now we are going to have view. Let's give it something like this color is more like purple. So let me save this again. Okay, as you can see what we have. Yeah. So our pagination dots and also our images are showing. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I will display button below the pagination dots. So there will be a login button and register button. So let me do that now. That will be below the dots. So for my buttons, I'm going to create a component for my buttons. So I already have a component that I can use. Let me compile it. So we create a button component. And we name it app button. Okay, so we can use this button component in all our applications. So here now we can make use of the button component we just created. Okay. Have a title. Log into account. Also going to have compress. So when we press the button, it's going to trigger an action. So let me create it here. The undo login press action. for now it's going to do nothing. I'll get to so I'll do the same thing also for register screen. Go back to our app button component, you can see that our app button component is accepting all of this as props. We can pass in title, we can pass in the action, then also we can pass in the color of the button, the style, and everything. So let me go back here now, and I'm going to give it a variant. Using primary. Okay, I think there is an issue here. I need to include the source to the image. Let's ensure it's autoplay. And also it's going to play. So let's check what we are. Okay, so what we have to do, you can see here I'm using customized Tailwind CSS classes. So I will need to, in our Tailwind config, I already created, we'll be using. So let me paste it there. Okay, so as you can see, now we have our login and also our register button.